Never give up. The most powerful motivational story you'll ever hear. He was born into poverty, with nothing but hunger in his belly and hope in his heart. His family had no roof that didn't leak, no floor that wasn't dirt, and no assurance of the next meal. While other children played with toys, he played with dreams. Dreams of a future no one believed in except himself. His classmates laughed when he spoke of becoming something great. His teachers told him to be realistic. He failed his first year in school, then failed again. But failure did not mean defeat. He walked 10 miles to school every day barefoot, sometimes without breakfast, yet with a fire burning inside him. He studied under street lamps because his home had no electricity. His books were torn, borrowed, or copied by hand, but his desire to learn could not be erased. When he applied for scholarships, he was rejected again and again. But he didn't give up. He worked odd jobs, saved every coin, and applied once more. One day, a letter arrived that changed everything. He had been accepted into a small college. He walked into that college with just one bag of clothes, 2 notebooks, and a heart full of determination. He studied harder than anyone else. He graduated top of his class. He went on to face more failures. His business collapsed. His ideas were laughed at. He was told he wasn't cut out for success. But each time he was knocked down, he got up stronger. While others slept, he worked. While others quit, he endured. He kept learning, kept building, kept climbing. When one door closed, he kicked open another. He started again with nothing but a vision. That vision became a company. That company became a name. That name became a legacy. He is now known across the world, not just for what he built, but for what he overcame. Not because he was born lucky, rich, or gifted, but because he never gave up. This story isn't just about one man. It's about every dreamer who is told they can't, but refuses to believe it. It's about every person who falls 7 times and stands up 8. It's about the power of grit, the strength of resilience, and the courage to keep going when there's no applause. Because greatness doesn't come to those who wish for it. It comes to those who work, who suffer, who fight, and who persist. This is your reminder. When it hurts, don't quit. When it's dark, keep walking. When you've failed, try again. When the world says no, whisper to yourself, yes. Never give up, because the only way to lose is to stop trying. Your time is coming. Keep pushing. Keep believing. Keep rising. Never, ever give up. If you enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, and share.